Detective Gibson types in the name of the driver's license Brazilian Joe gave police on the night of the fight and sees that something is very wrong.
Upon viewing the Polaroid picture and the driver's license, there was two different people. The driver's license was Brazilian Joe's photo with someone else's name. We had no idea who this Brazilian Joe person was.
With a forged ID and no other information, police can't identify Brazilian Joe, but maybe Chris Schursky's friends can.
We thought that some of Chris Schursky's friends may have the answers that we needed about who Brazilian Joe was, but they were too afraid to talk to the police. We thought it was important to reach out to Chris's friends one more time to see if someone would talk.
Taking Dale's advice, Detective Gibson calls Schursky's friends, hoping that someone